If your PlayStation 5 shows Wi-Fi connected, but says no internet access, this is not normal behavior. And more importantly, this problem is not always caused by slow internet speed. You might see full signal bars. You might see the word connected. But when you open the PlayStation network, nothing loads. Games fail to sign in. Updates stay stuck, and online features simply do not work. As a repair technician, this is one of the most common PS5 network complaints I see in real workshops. Many users waste money changing internet plans, replacing routers, or calling service providers, when the real cause is something much simpler. Here is the important truth you must understand. Wi-Fi connection and internet access are two different processes. Your PS5 can connect to the router but still fail to communicate with the internet or the PlayStation Network servers. This happens due to reasons like incorrect DNS resolution, router handshake failure, NAT type restrictions, firmware compatibility issues, or even background network cache corruption. A very common user mistake is restarting only the console using rest mode. Another mistake is assuming that if mobile internet works, the PS5 should work the same way. Gaming consoles communicate differently than phones or laptops. They require stable packet routing, clean DNS resolution, and proper port access. Safety warning here. Do not start changing random router settings blindly. Do not reset hardware without understanding what you are doing. Wrong settings can block all devices or expose your network to risk. In this video, I will guide you through real technician-tested troubleshooting logic step by step. We will start from the safest, zero-cost fixes, then move toward advanced diagnosis, exactly the way professionals do it. In the next section, I will explain who I am, what TechVibes stands for, and why these fixes are based on real repair experience, not internet myths. Before we go deeper into fixing your PlayStation 5 network problem, you need to understand where this advice is coming from. This channel is TechVibes, and here the focus is not quick tricks or fake hacks. Everything you hear in this video is based on real troubleshooting logic used by technicians who repair devices every day. In real repair work, we do not jump to conclusions. We follow a fixed order. First, we confirm the symptom. Then, we isolate software issues. After that, we verify network behavior. And only at the end do we suspect hardware failure. Many videos online show shortcuts. They tell you to change random settings. They ask you to use VPN, DNS apps, or modified software. These methods are risky. Some of them can block your PlayStation Network access permanently. Some can even lead to account suspension. As technicians, we never recommend anything that can damage your console, your account, or your network security. Every fix in this video comes from real workshop cases, user reports from repair forums, long-term testing by technicians, and confirmed results across different routers and internet providers. Another important thing you should know, no two network problems are exactly the same. That is why we will not apply one solution blindly. Instead, we will diagnose step by step so you understand why each fix works. This also helps you save money. You avoid unnecessary service calls, you avoid replacing routers without proof, and you know exactly when a problem is safe to fix at home and when it is time to stop. Throughout this video, I will speak directly to you. I will explain not just what to do, but why you are doing it. This is how real repair knowledge is built. In the next section, we will break down the error itself. You will clearly understand the difference between Wi-Fi connection, internet access, and PlayStation Network communication. Section 3. Understanding the error properly. Before fixing anything, you must clearly understand what the error actually means. This is where most users get confused and make wrong decisions. When your PS5 shows Wi-Fi connected, it only means one thing. Your console has successfully connected to the router using Wi-Fi. That is all. It does not mean that your PS5 has access to the internet, and it does not mean that it can reach PlayStation Network servers. There are 3 separate stages here. First, Wi-Fi connection to the router. Second, internet access through your service provider. Third, communication with PlayStation Network, also called PSN. Your PS5 can pass stage 1 and still fail stage 2 or 3. Here is a real technician example. I often see PS5 consoles where the IP address shows successful, but DNS resolution fails silently. This means the console cannot translate server names into numbers, so it cannot reach Sony servers even though Wi-Fi looks fine. Another common situation involves NAT type restrictions. Your router may allow basic internet traffic, but it may block gaming ports required by PlayStation Network. In this case, websites might load, but online gaming fails. A very common user mistake is assuming this is always an internet speed problem. Speed is not the same as stability. Netflix, YouTube, or mobile phones working does not prove that PS5 networking is healthy. Safety warning here: do not factory reset your PS5 at this stage. Do not change advanced router settings yet. If you skip diagnosis, you may create new problems. At this point, your goal is understanding, not fixing. Once you understand where the connection is breaking, the fix becomes simple and safe. In the next section, we will start real troubleshooting. We will perform a proper power cycle and network refresh, exactly the way technicians do it to clear hidden network faults. Section 4, proper power cycle and network refresh logic. This step looks simple, but in real repair work, this fixes more PS5 network problems than any setting change. Most users think restarting means pressing the power button once. That is incorrect. A proper power cycle is designed to clear temporary memory errors, network handshake corruption, and background network cache issues. First, shut down your PS5 completely. Do not use rest mode. Press the power button and wait until all lights turn off. Now unplug the PS5 power cable from the wall. Next, unplug your router and modem power cables. Safety warning here: do not unplug cables while devices are powered on. Always shut down first to avoid electrical damage. Once everything is unplugged, wait exactly 60 seconds. This time is important. It allows capacitors to discharge fully and clears cached network states. After 60 seconds, plug in the modem first. Wait until all modem lights stabilize. Then plug in the router. Wait until Wi-Fi signal is fully active. Finally, plug in the PS5 and power it on. This sequence matters. The modem must establish an internet session first. The router must then receive clean routing data. Only after that should the PS5 request a network address. Real technician tip: skipping the waiting time or changing the order often makes this step useless. After startup, do not open games immediately. Go to Settings, then Network, then Settings, then View Connection Status. Check if internet connection now shows successful. Many users report full resolution at this stage. If the problem returns later, it usually points to router configuration or firmware issues. But if the internet still fails, do not panic. This simply means the issue is deeper than temporary cache errors. In the next section, we will check PS5 network status and NAT type. Section 5, PS5 network status and NAT type diagnosis. At this stage, we stop guessing and start reading actual network data. This is exactly what technicians do before changing any advanced settings. Turn on your PS5, go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to View Connection Status. Here you will see multiple lines of information. Do not rush. Each line tells a story. First, look at IP address. If it shows successful, your PS5 is communicating with the router. This confirms that Wi-Fi authentication is working. Next, check internet connection. If this shows failed, the problem is beyond basic Wi-Fi. This usually points to DNS, routing, or ISP level filtering. Now look at NAT type. This is very important for PlayStation Network. There are 3 NAT types. NAT type 1 means open and direct internet access. NAT type 2 means moderate and acceptable for gaming. NAT type 3 means restricted and problematic. If you see NAT type 3, online services may fail completely. Friends may not connect. PlayStation Network may appear offline. Downloads may hang or never start. Real technician insight: many routers provided by internet companies use strict NAT by default. This blocks required ports for gaming consoles. A common user mistake is ignoring NAT type completely. People focus only on speed numbers, but NAT type controls how your PS5 communicates with servers. Safety note here: do not enable random port forwarding unless you understand it. Incorrect port rules can expose your network or break other devices. At this point, write down your NAT type result. This will guide the next steps. If NAT type is 1 or 2, your issue is likely DNS or routing related. If NAT type is 3, router configuration will be required. In the next section, we will fix DNS, IP, and router configuration issues. This is where many PS5 connected but no internet problems are permanently resolved. Section 6, DNS, IP, and router configuration fixes. Now we move to one of the most effective and most misunderstood fixes. DNS and router configuration problems are responsible for a large number of PS5 cases where Wi-Fi connects, but internet fails. DNS means domain name system. In simple words, DNS converts server names into numbers that devices can understand. If DNS fails, your PS5 cannot reach PlayStation Network even when Wi-Fi looks connected. Many internet providers use slow or unstable DNS servers. Phones and laptops can sometimes recover automatically. Gaming consoles usually cannot. We will first change DNS safely. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Setup Internet Connection. Choose Setup manually. Select Wi-Fi. Choose your network. Select IP address settings, then choose Automatic. Select DHCP, then choose Automatic. Now go to DNS settings, then choose Manual. Enter primary DNS as 8888, enter secondary DNS as 8844. These are Google DNS servers. They are stable and widely used by technicians for testing. Confirm settings and connect. Real technician tip. This change does not affect speed plans or billing. It only changes how your PS5 finds servers. If the problem continues, we check the router. Log in to your router settings. Enable UPnP, also called Universal Plug and Play. Disable strict firewall temporarily for testing. Make sure MAC filtering is turned off. Common user mistake here. People enable parental control or device isolation without realizing it blocks consoles. Safety warning. Do not leave firewall disabled permanently. This step is only for testing. After applying these changes, restart the router and PS5. In many real repair cases, the internet connects immediately after DNS correction. But if buffering or disconnects continue, signal quality may be the real enemy. In the next section, we will analyze Wi-Fi band, distance, and interference problems that silently break PS5 internet access. Section 7. Wi-Fi band, signal quality, and interference problems. At this point, many users assume the network is fine because the PS5 shows strong signal bars. This is a common misunderstanding. Signal strength and signal quality are not the same thing. Your PS5 can show full bars and still lose internet packets. First, let us talk about Wi-Fi bands. Most routers broadcast two bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 2.4 GHz travels farther, but it is slow and crowded. It shares space with Bluetooth devices, microwaves, smart home devices, and even nearby routers. This causes interference and packet loss. 5 GHz is faster and cleaner. It is the preferred band for PlayStation 5. Go to your router settings and make sure both bands have separate network names. Then on your PS5, go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Setup Internet Connection. Select the 5 GHz network manually. Real technician example. I have seen PS5 consoles fail on 2.4 GHz, but work perfectly on 5 GHz without changing anything else. Next, check distance and obstacles. Walls, metal shelves, aquariums, and televisions all weaken Wi-Fi signals. If your router is in another room, signal reflection can break data stability. Technician tip. Always test with the router placed in the same room as the PS5. Also watch for packet loss. Packet loss means data is sent but never arrives. This causes connected but no internet symptoms. If you cannot improve Wi-Fi quality, do not force it. Wireless has physical limits. In the next section, we will check system software and PlayStation Network compatibility, which often causes sudden connection failures even on stable networks. Section 8, System Software and PlayStation Network Compatibility Check. At this stage, if your network settings look correct, the next thing we must verify is software compatibility. This is a very real cause that many users ignore. Your PlayStation 5 relies on system software to communicate securely with PlayStation Network servers. If your system software is outdated, the console may connect to Wi-Fi, but fail internet authentication. Here is why this happens. Sony updates server-side security regularly. Older console firmware may not support new encryption or handshake requirements. When this mismatch occurs, the PS5 cannot complete the connection process. Go to Settings, then go to System. Then go to System Software, then go to System Software Update and Settings, then go to Update System Software. Choose Update using Internet. Safety warning here. Do not turn off the PS5 during update. Do not unplug power. Interrupting an update can corrupt system files. If your PS5 says it is already updated, we check another factor: PlayStation Network server status. Sometimes the problem is not in your home at all. PSN servers can have regional outages. When this happens, the console shows Wi-Fi connected, but internet services fail. Real technician practice: always rule out server-side problems before changing hardware. Another common mistake is assuming that PSN issues affect everyone equally. Some services may work while others fail, creating confusion. If PSN servers are operational and your software is up to date, yet the problem remains, then we must isolate hardware and network paths. In the next section, we will use a LAN cable test to confirm whether the issue is Wi-Fi related or console related. This is one of the most powerful diagnostic steps technicians use. Section 9, LAN cable test and hardware isolation method. This step is not about convenience, this step is about truth. When technicians want to stop guessing, we isolate the connection path. The easiest and most reliable way to do this is using a LAN cable. Take a working Ethernet cable, connect one end directly to your router, connect the other end to your PS5 LAN port. Now go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Setup Internet Connection. Choose Setup manually. Select LAN cable. Choose Automatic for all options. Once connected, go to View Connection Status and check the result. If the internet works perfectly on LAN, your PS5 hardware is fine. Your PlayStation Network account is fine. Your internet service is fine. This confirms one thing clearly: the problem is Wi-Fi related, not console related. In real repair cases, this saves a lot of money. Users often think the PS5 network chip is damaged, but after LAN testing, we know the console does not need repair. Now, observe behavior carefully. If LAN works but Wi-Fi fails, the cause is usually weak Wi-Fi signal quality, router wireless instability, firmware bugs in the router, or crowded wireless channels. If LAN also fails, the situation is different. Now we suspect deeper network issues, ISP filtering, router hardware failure, or in rare cases, PS5 network port damage. Safety advice here: do not force the LAN connector. Bent pins can permanently damage the port. Technician tip: always test with a short, known good cable. Old or damaged cables can give false results. This step gives us final confirmation. It tells us exactly where the problem lives. In the next and final section, I will summarize the best fixes, explain when you should stop troubleshooting, and guide you on the safest next steps. Section 10, Best Fix Summary. At this point, you have followed the same logical troubleshooting path that real technicians use. You did not guess, you did not apply risky tricks, you diagnosed step by step. Let us quickly recap the most reliable fixes for the PS5 Wi-Fi connecting to Wi-Fi but not internet problem. First, proper power cycling clears hidden cache and handshake errors. Second, checking network status and NAT type reveals router level restrictions. Third, correcting DNS settings solves silent server resolution failures. Fourth, using 5 GHz Wi-Fi improves stability and reduces interference. Fifth, keeping PS5 system software updated ensures compatibility with PlayStation Network. Sixth, LAN cable testing isolates whether the issue is Wi-Fi or hardware related. These steps solve the majority of real-world cases without spending money. Now, an important technician warning: if LAN also fails, if system software cannot update, if network status shows repeated authentication errors, stop troubleshooting at home. At that point, the issue may involve ISP-level filtering, router hardware failure, or internal network port damage on the console. Continuing to change settings blindly can make things worse. Professional service may be required. Before you leave, do one more thing. Restart your PS5 one final time. Confirm that internet access is stable. Then test an online game or download. If this video helped you, support the channel. Like the video, share it with someone facing the same problem, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for real repair knowledge, not fake hacks. If you still face issues, leave a comment describing your NAT type, your router model, and whether LAN works or not. This helps us guide you accurately.